guys, how you doing? Easy lessons from Alex for singing and guitar. Let's continue by learning this beautiful piece. No, I didn't make any tabs because I just made it for you guys to do something that has to do with melody and rhythm at the same time, but only have the right hand picking doing the same thing over and over. And that's a very nice way of playing guitar fingerstyle. And if you're interested, I have a link in the description or in my info cards. You can see that I have for $9.99 my Guitar E-book that teaches you 25 pickings like this one. So let's go to the picking. The right hand plays with the top bass, for counting from down up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the top bass. You're gonna pluck it with the bass and with your ring finger together. Then the badass middle finger goes to the second string, and then we go with the index finger on the third. So the treble and the bass. The thumb is for the basses that we're going to be switching, and always the three fingers, first string, second and third, ring, middle, index. But the small exception is that the ring plays along the bass. Practice changing through the three basses without looking at the fingers. You'll start by looking, but it's just very confusing what we're doing. Now we're gonna add the melody. If you like, you can do what I did and just go. Start straight away. So here are the notes that we're playing here. Don't worry, I'm not gonna name them. I'm gonna tell you where to press on the guitar. I play open the top string, that means no pressing. The bass, the top bass. Now the middle bass on the second fret, and we're staying on that middle bass to go second, third, second, then again the top E string. Actually that's our 6 from down up, the top bass. Now we try to do the same thing, but while playing the rhythmic melody with the fingers on the bottom. Now here, I think it's a little bit obvious. Again, we're on the second bass, the middle bass, the fifth string, and I use the ring finger and I slide up and up to the third and the second fret of the fifth string. First you play the G, the E, the top string. Then we go fifth, third, second, top bass open, fifth, third, second, open the middle bass. Now with the ring finger, I like it like that, it's easier. Top bass on the third fret. Then first, then open, and here we have completely open. Put your hand down, and this is how the pattern goes. See it as a pattern, guys. We're gonna play twice the top and bottom string, then one time the middle bass, twice the bottom bass, then go to the bottom bass, twice the top bass, then go to the middle, to the bottom, to the middle, once at the top, once in the middle, and finish with thumb and ring. It's hard to follow now without tabs, but I think this piece is easy enough to pick up without tabs. And if you work with me and rewind this video, first try to do it yourself and rewind it and try to play it with me. The guitar is regularly tuned on the E. If it's a little bit untuned, I apologize. I didn't check it before the lesson. Oh my God. And that's it, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and suggest to me some pieces that I can do for you. Not just putting exercises, but exercises into beautiful pieces like this one's. I know I made it. I'm not bragging, but it is very nice to play, I think. And it sounds cool and dark. All right, see you on the next video.